Hey there, welcome back to SkinSavvy Reviews, your go-to channel for all things skincare. Today, we're diving into the transformative world of No7 with their Restore and Renew Multi-Action Face and Neck Cream. So, buckle up as we explore its age-defying power, radiant replenishment, and more. Let's kick things off with a quick overview. The No7 Restore and Renew Face and Neck Cream comes in a 50 ml jar, packed with skincare goodness. Formulated by No7, a brand with a rich legacy dating back to 1935. This cream is not just a moisturizer, it's a powerhouse of skin rejuvenation. Now, let's talk ingredients. This cream is enriched with hyaluronic acid, a hydration hero that plumps and nourishes your skin from within. Plus, it's fortified with collagen peptides, emblica, and vitamin C, a trio that works wonders to enhance radiance, diminish age spots, and firm up your skin. But what sets this cream apart? Well, let me tell you. In just 2 weeks, you will witness the age-defying magic of No7 Restore and Renew. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to a revitalized complexion. With SPF 30 UV protection, it shields your skin from harmful sun rays, all while combating signs of aging. And did I mention the hydration? It's like a drink of water for your skin, keeping it plump and supple throughout the day. Now, you might be wondering, does it really work? Let me share my experience. After incorporating this cream into my skincare routine, I noticed a significant improvement in my skin's texture and tone. My complexion appeared brighter, smoother, and more youthful, a true testament to its efficacy. So, is the No7 Restore and Renew Face and Neck Cream worth it? Absolutely. With its age-defying formula, sun protection, and hydration benefits, it's a game-changer for anyone looking to achieve radiant, youthful skin. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. That wraps up today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to SkinSavvy Reviews for more skincare tips, tricks, and product reviews. Until next time, stay glowing.